Hi, this is Shannon with Blissful Honeymoons and Destination Weddings, and today I am at Breathless in Montego Bay. Breathless is an adults-only resort, and this resort has got a party theme to it. Right now, it's early in the morning, so things are pretty quiet. I'm actually here in the middle of April on a Tuesday, and it is exceptionally quiet all around. Weekends tend to be a lot busier. So what we're looking at here, we got fishnets. This is the lunch and dinner. Had lunch here yesterday. It was really nice. One thing about this property is it's no beach directly connected to the hotel. You have to walk over a bridge to get to a small private beach that Breathless has, and is connected to Secrets St. James and Secrets Wild Orchid, which you also have all-inclusive access to, and you have to watch my other blogs to learn about that. But as far as the ocean goes from this resort, if you're on the ground level, this is the peak that you would get at the ocean through the mangroves here. Now, most of the suites, as you can see, are going to be facing the pool and the mangrove/ocean. The ocean back there is really leads more into a lagoon, so it's a really pretty calm view anywhere from the resort here that you're on an upper level. Okay, so let's talk about the pool. Lots of party things going on during the day. Always music out here, and then they have pool parties, and that little section over there is just a small, like a dance party that they have, DJs and whatnot. You got your swim-a-bar, and then activity teams always out here doing stuff. They have shows, foam parties, theme parties. This is great for bachelorette, groups, girls trips, couples trips, friends trips, singles. If you want to have a social, lively vibe in luxury, all-inclusive. So back there are some fire pits. We'll just walk around that way. So one thing about this resort is even when it's 100% occupancy, it will only feel about 70% occupancy. So usually no trouble getting any of like seats open to anyone. Now there is the Exhale Club. That's an upgraded level. And if you are in the Exhale Club level, you have access to that rooftop up there. There's a rooftop pool up there, bar and restaurant, and in the evenings that is accessible to anyone after 7 p.m. But during the day, if you want to hang out, have an exclusive bar and pool that has spectacular rooftop views, that's the Exhale Club section. Back down here, now everything is shared with Secrets and Secrets Resorts next door. If you're staying at Breathless, you have all-inclusive access to Secrets and all of their restaurants, in which there are many. It's just a quick walk. If you're staying at Secrets, you do not have access over here to Breathless, so it's important to note. Breathless only has a few restaurants. Well, we're right here, so let's just take a quick peek at that smaller pool, party pool I was talking about. So DJ, they usually have here, and then dance in the pool. Fire pits here are all lit up at night. You can hang out here. Sometimes they do shows out here. My room is just right there on the second floor, so it's really nice ambiance. Ooh, you can't see from down here. You have to watch your my other videos, but back behind the mangroves and the ocean we were talking about is all mountains, and it's beautiful. It's all lit up at night with twinkling lights, and you can see all that from any of the views here. We're just gonna take a quick peek at the Spoon. Spoon is open for buffet in the morning, and then back here is Frito, which is a Latin restaurant, and you don't need reservations. It's first come, first serve. So let's quick walk in the lobby. It might be loud in there. so I'm not going to talk, but we're going to go through the lobby so you can look at that. And then you've seen pretty much most of this resort. There is a tennis court here, a gym, more towards secrets, and a private beach, which we'll go over to as well. So here's the lobby. Hookah. They have hookah parties. Oh, they had a show in here last night, so you just hang out here. Amstar, there's the front desk. If you're in the XL Club, you're going to be checking into an XL lounge. And up there's the entrance where you would come in and be dropped off. Okay, we're gonna go up some stairs. Listen to me breathe. So there's this elevators to get to your rooms. And you just go up this flight of stairs, or you can take the elevators. And this is going to be the entrance to Secrets. So you just walk this bridge here. I'm not going to record all this, but at the end of the bridge, you go down. Actually, you hung out with me this long. I'm going to record all this. All right. You can fast forward through this part, or maybe I'll get better at my technology and figure out how to edit this out. But as you can see, this is as long as the walk is. And security is going to check you in and out. Hey there. 5207. Grunewald. 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 All right, thanks. Okay, so that was that. Then when you come back, he'll check me back in. Then you go downstairs, or you can use the elevator. Okay, so you can go to the left, and that's going to take you around to the lobby entrances of, there's a Secret St. James and Secrets Wild Orchid. And here is Breathless, still beach access. Hi there.
Good morning.
Good morning. Still with me? So that is literally the walk. This is the gym for Breathless, and then there's the tennis courts, and again, that's exclusive for Breathless guests. Secrets does not have all-inclusive access over here. You have all-inclusive access to Secrets. There's the gym. I don't want to look inside. There's people working out. Okay, and then we're coming up on the private beach club. Or excuse me, the beach for Breathless. So Breathless has its own bar over there. And beach to the right here. This beach is rocky. Has lots of rocks, so bring water shoes. Once you get past the rocks, it's beautiful. Calm. Or excuse me, not always calm. I shouldn't say that. Clear. That was the word I meant to say. Clear. Extremely clear. Or you could just go over to Secrets. There's lots of different beaches around there. We'll look at that in a different video. Okay, but this is all Breathless here. Beautiful spot for wedding and wedding reception setup. I have some photos of that. If you're interested, contact me. And then back again, there is a grill and bar, and then they have wait service that comes right out to any of this seating here. And let me zoom out. Oh, I can't do that. I'll just quick look at the ocean before we wrap this one up. And there you are, beautiful Jamaica at Breathless Montego Bay. Now we're going to go look at secrets, and you'll have to check out my other vlogs on YouTube at Shan Honeymoons. And if you would like to get yourself here, contact us at travelbyblissful.com or blissfulhoneymoons.com. Thanks.